you give me help? Why are you a liar?
Carol, why don't you understand me? I remember telling you that I'm still young. And in our family, we don't produce. Go look for someone else, not me.
Peter, what do you mean? You mean my baby? You mean the baby in my room is not yours?
100%. Just not on bangako, sikula bangako. Tomani, sikumani. Period.
Peter!
Oh, and I know I would not run away from her. I would have been at school right now. I am suffering if my mother is there. Nandere the workers are mammy, the whole people. No, that would be mother. Let me struggle. God will help me. I would have been at school. Now look, I am pregnant. I must let I get this time.
Secretary.
Yes, please, field officer.
Have you finished printing the visas for those going to United Kingdom?
Yes, they are all done.
Wow, let me try calling them.
Don't know, just come in. Please, come in. What does this woman want here? Alingo Omulalu?
Omulalu?
Yes, come see her.
Omulalu? Oyagala chiwan?
Anaga City Mulalu.
What do you want here?
I'm just looking for a job.
For a job?
Of all companies, you've decided to come here. Please, sorry, no job. Try elsewhere. I can be a good cleaner. You fail to clean yourself, and then you clean the office? Sorry, go. Go. Go, 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 go. 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 Go.
Secretary.
Yes, please.
What's the problem?
This lady here, very dirty, shabby. She could even chase away the customers.
Hold her in peace. She will go.
Carol?
Secretary.
Patience?
Carol, why are you looking like this?
Patience.
Yes, please.
I made a mistake of running away from
married at 6 months. Due to lack of help and fear to go back to my mother. Carol, don't cry. This is not the end of the world. I'm going to help you.
What? Are you going to give me a job?
No?
But I can be good at cleaning toilets.
Sorry. There is no job you can manage here. You deserve to be well qualified.
Now, go, yeah?
Sinakugova. But I want to take you back to school. And I will cater for all school dues. This will help you unlock your potential. Remember, you are well talented. Taro, there is what we call adult education. Allow, everything will change in your life.
Patience.
Yes, please.
Sigara kuswaza. Ngenda kusoma.
Wow. Wow. And I must take you back to your mommy so that you earn blessings from her.
I will not refuse. Jakugenda.
Parents out there, take note. Helping your children to unlock their potential is partly a task for you. And children, when you are at school, always use your time wisely. Remember, every minute matters. Don't run away from home. Don't run away from school. Don't be like Carol.
Don't be like me, please. In order for you to finish your studies and get a fruitful future. Never look back. Look forward.